Hello, dear friends and fans of Goodlifta. Welcome back. At Goodlifta, safety is always our #1 priority. Today, this new material handling king, JustinGo, is another good example of how we take care of safety while handling heavy materials for our customers. #1, we have this front collision warning sensor here. Once an object interferes within its safety zones, you will see the blue lights light up. That means the driving speed of this JustinGo would automatically drop to a slower motion. While docking into the right position, it also comes to a second slower speed, which allows the operator to deliver the material safely and precisely at the perfect spots. Okay, and also with new JustinGo, the front wheel is narrower than Martingale or Mendigo, which gives us a smaller footprint to maneuver that allows the user to drive within narrow aisles. Okay, with this warning LED, it also shows the status of this lifter. When everything is correct, it shows green. When the material is not at its right place, it gives you a warning that something is wrong to look at it. Okay, so this is our new material handling king, JustinGo. Whatever material issues you are running into, please feel free to contact us at Goodlifta. We'll be more than happy to assist you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.